Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log into your Grab account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular Grab app on your phone. And now from over here you're going to find two options at the bottom, including sign up and login. Now from over here, choose login option. Now you can simply choose to go with any of the information if you have your creator account with. So for me I'm going to choose the mobile number. I'm going to add my mobile number, and now I'm going to tap on next. Now wait till the code comes, and there we go, we have logged in. We're simply going to choose our country. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.